Good morning, dear students. Now, next content of natural phenomena is based on equal and opposite charges. What happens on rubbing of two objects, or what happens on friction between two objects, right? Whether same charge develops or opposite charges develops. By friction method or by rubbing, always opposite and equal charges develop between two objects. For example, ebonite rod and woolen fiber. Before rubbing, charge is absent, but after friction, after rubbing, this ebonite rod becomes negatively charged and woolen fiber or wool becomes positively charged. Equal and opposite. Equal in terms of magnitude. Unit of charge is coulomb. Equal coulomb of charge in each device after friction or after rubbing. For example, in this woolen fiber, plus 3 times positive sign is showing equal charge. This positive charge is equal to negative charge. 1, 2, 3 negative sign and 1, 2, 3 positive sign. Right? Charge is equal but opposite. Equal in magnitude, value, and opposite in terms of nature. Second set, where opposite charge develops on glass rod. Method is same. By rubbing or by friction, this glass rod becomes positively charged and silk negatively charged. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, same magnitude of two charges, but nature is opposite. Just opposite of positive is negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. And in first set, this is second set. In first set, opposite of negative is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, children? This is the meaning of this equal and opposite charges. Now, next content is based on testing of charge. Right? When any uncharged body or any body which is under investigation for testing, any body is brought near the charged body. Charged body is known. This charged body is positively charged. But second body is brought for testing whether this body is charged or not. If on bringing any body or XYZ object near the charged body, if attraction occurs, then what is the possible charge? Negative. Right? In second case, same body or same object is brought near the negatively charged body. Here charge is negative, just opposite of this previous activity. But same body is brought near the negatively charged body. Again, attraction occurs. Attraction means development of opposite charge or presence of opposite charge. Children, by induction method, always equal and opposite charges develop. Magnitude is equal and nature is opposite. Without touching. Rubbing means by touching, by friction. Right? Third set of activity, when one body X, Y, Z or any object is brought near the charged body and your charge is positive. And repulsion occurs between two. Repulsion between charged body and second body. It means this body is positively charged because this charge is known, but its charge is unknown. And this repulsion process confirms that positive charge is present in this body. Right? Fourth set of activity, negative charge is present. In charged body, negative charge is present. XYZ body or any object is brought near the negatively charged body, again repulsion occurs. Repulsion means presence of same charge. Presence of like charge. Presence of like. Repulsion process occurs between like charges. Right? Between plus, between minus. right? Then what is the only test or only method for testing of charge in any object, in any body? Repulsion process, right? Because attraction occurs between charged body and uncharged body. Charge is developed by the induction process. Okay children, this is the only method, testing of charge by repulsion process. In this way we can test charge on any object. Okay children.